Hi, my friend. Today I bring a system to charge battery number 1 from battery number 2. We lost 8 milliampere from the first battery, and when about 28 milliampere. You see, it's very well. Good. This system starting with this coil. This coil 900 turn. He have two ends. First one connected to the positive of battery, this battery for working, and the negative go down. Leave it now. We shall talking about this wire, and let us complete the first coil. And the other come to the negative for the charging battery. This first end. The end of this coil came from this point to the collector of the transistor 2N355 and connect a rectifier, not diode, rectifier. This kind is more big and strong. Rectifier, and connect to the positive of the battery, especially for charging. We are finished the first coil. Now the secondary coil is 400 turn, and put it closely with the first coil to take a field from it. To complete this two coil, make a oscillator for the transistor. Two wire came to the emitter and the second one to the base. Not different which one here, which one here. One of them in the base and the other in the emitter. It is very necessary. This negative wire, he fixed this coil, this emitter and base. When we connect the negative here, it is okay. Now this one positive and this one negative. When you are start the circuit, make it on, a special voltage came from the positive to the coil and to the transistor. In the same time, some of these pulses go through the secondary coil and come to the transistor. Make it on. When be on 1 minute, it is very short time. Became on. When became on, he will connect the collector with the emitter and make this coil is working. When this working, it became a big charging. Make upside to make the transistor working again, because you know and we know that any coil, just theory of Rimikorov, any coil, put it DC and remove the DC from it, it will become a charging opposite the current, the first current. Therefore, some charge come from here to the rectifier to this battery to charge it. Okay? Now we shall of course this frequency is very strange. I'm not satisfied that, but This vibration make a wave, especially. It's very nice for me to make this system working. It is very easy and very good. Now, when we finish this, I will connect another system, a small coil, 400 turn, and same transistor, and any transformer, 12 without center tap, 12 to 200 or 150, as you like. This coil connected beside them. Take a signal from this coil and make the transistor make on off as a signal, and make this transformer give me 220 volt AC or 115 volt AC. As you like. When you put 12 200, take you 200. 12 100, it take 100. This unit about 500 watt. It is very enough to make 5 lamps working without anything. And you can take the old one, this, put it with the battery, small battery in the small box, and you can take it as a bag to your car to charge the battery of your car. If the battery is finished, you can very easily to connect, and you can put a light here to become lighting. In my home, I put 4 lights to lighting my rooms by using this battery for charging, because the charging is very enough and perfect.